Hello there and welcome back to Fun with Music. Today we're going to be looking at installing software updates for your keyboard. Yamaha keeps releasing updates for your keyboard from time to time. You can benefit from these updates as there may be some new features or bug fixes for your instrument. And it's a really simple process. So here's how you can install updates on your keyboard. So first you will need to open a browser and search for Yamaha software update. Then click on the link that says Firmware/software updates Yamaha United States. Then select your product category, which is keyboard instruments, and then type in the model name or keyword, which in this case is SX700. Then click on the firmware updater for your keyboard model. This will lead to a page where you will see the firmware installation procedure, the version history, and the license agreement. Once you have read the license agreement, you can click on Yes, I agree and click on the button to start downloading the software update file. Once the download is complete, click on the zip file to expand it. Once the file has been unzipped, you will see a PRG file. Move this PRG file to a USB drive. Once the file has been transferred, you can eject the USB drive from your computer and unplug it. Now let us check the firmware version installed on my keyboard. For that we need to go into Menu, Menu 2, Utility, and then System. Here we can see that the firmware version is 1.04. Now let us go ahead with the software update process. For this we need to first switch off the keyboard. Now I have plugged in the USB drive which contains the software update file. Now we need to hold down the start and stop button and switch on the keyboard. The keyboard will automatically detect the software update file and it will prompt you to press the start stop button to start the installation process. So let us press the start stop button. The software update has now started. The software update is complete. It now prompts to turn the power off. Now let us switch on the keyboard again and check the firmware version. Here we can see that the firmware version has been updated to 1.11. I hope you found this video helpful and please feel free to ask any questions in the comment section down below. Thank you.